There are four basic needs of material management as follows: to have adequate materials on hand when needed, to pay the lowest possible price is consistent with quality and value of materials, to minimize the inventory is investment, to operate effectively. Purpose of material management: gain economy in purchasing, satisfy demand during period of replenishment, carry reserve stock to avoid stock out, stabilize fluctuations in consumption, provide a reasonable level of client services, increase efficacy of healthcare systems, development and skill of healthcare, and provide materials in required quantity and is when needed. Supply is budgeting and material planning, demand forecasting, procurement, receipt inspection and payment, storage, inventory control, issues and distribution. Essential requirements of material management are as follows: right material, right quality, right quantity, right time, right price, right supplier, right uses, and right cost. Acquisition of required items can be done at departmental on selection level, that is decentralized, at hospital level centralized purchase by a group of hospitals having same management control, that is example may be municipal government, hospital having common governing body, example chain of corporate hospitals making joint common purchase, examples 3 or 4 hospitals situated in same country. Decentralized purchase could be the purchase are carried out at the apartment. Centralized purchase is a method pertains to the common requirements of each department of entire hospital. A centralized method uses paperwork, duplication of personnel, and common bargaining, reducing the cost of purchases. It also permits the standardization of items. Group purchasing: requirement of more than one hospital club together for making purchases. Post come down for a group of hospital. It is advisable to obtain individual requirement of the hospital club then together and then process the purchase. Advantages are standardization, easy maintenance of inventory of spare parts and repair due to uniformity, have a heavier discount as possible. Disadvantages: selection of substandard items may be inadvertently done. Unfair practices in purchasing by the person enjoying absolute power cannot be ruled out. Types of material management: the various types of material used in hospital directory are indirectly related to various activities that are undertaken in the hospital to achieve the objectives.